quick overview of the Louie Dialog system. Here I have a simple map, and when I play the game now, this blue camera will be my friend and will tell me that I can't open this door because I need ammo. So if I run over here and pick up some ammo, then now when I come back, the dialogue system will open the door, and now go into this little fight scene with this blue blob, and it will respond, and I can pick up this hat and get complimented. So how does that work? Every time I save this level, I generate a spec file sheet that I can use to load into Microsoft Word. So come over here to Microsoft Word. I can pick some definitions file for variables, and I'll pick the level name is called D2 spec CSV. So this is simply a list of types and a list of names corresponding to all the objects in the game and their properties. So now I can define different conditions and different rules. So here's a rule called no key, no door. This can only run when the bad guy is the one talking. The red door is still unlocked, or still locked rather, and I haven't picked up the key. And then he will say, "You'll never figure out how to open my super secure red door." Then wait 2 seconds, and then he'll laugh. And then you can run outcomes after each of the rules. So in this case, I'll make a new variable in my flags and call the red door bit, and I'll start that to true. So this means that now I can use that as a criteria for other rules. So if I skip down to when the door is open, the red door bit has to be true for this to run. So this means if somehow I was able to get past the security camera without starting that dialogue, then he won't finish it with this one. So this can always modify this. So maybe what I want is to add some damage indicator when I'm fighting the blue guy at the end. So I can add a new rule, which I can jump to the table of contents, and I'll say taken damage. So this can only display when the player 1 health, let's say, is less than 3. So you start out with 3 health. So when you take a damage point, this also can only happen if it's the friend who's talking. This can also only happen if the door has been unlocked. So that's called key door 2. And I think that's enough conditions. And then if I don't need to run any outcomes, then I can write pass. I can validate that this JSON's correct. Oh, and I screwed up over here. Cool. So now I validated that. If I was trying to access a variable that didn't exist, like if I misspelled health and I validate it again, then I won't be able to save because that's not a valid variable. So that's why the spec sheet's pretty useful. So now I can save this out to JSON, and it will get automatically loaded back into the game. So if I run this scenario again, you can see that piece of dialogue. Can pick up some ammo. Now when he sees me, I'll go fight him. So now I'll intentionally let myself get hit. And he says, "Oh no, you're hurt." So that's a quick demo of the flexibility and the way that the dialogue system will work.